To set up two-factor authenticator for PayPal, start by logging in to your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings page. From the settings page, select the Security tab and then click on Two-Factor Authentication. If you have not already, you will need to confirm your phone number or add a new one to use for two-factor authentication. Next, you will be given the option to use an authenticator app or a text message to receive your verification codes. Using an authenticator app is more secure, as it does not rely on your phone's ability to receive text messages. To use an authenticator app, select the Authenticator app option and then scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your Authenticator app. This will link your PayPal account to the app and generate a unique verification code. Enter the verification code from the Authenticator app into the PayPal prompt to complete the setup. You will then be required to enter this verification code every time you log into your PayPal account. In addition to your email address and password, it is also a good idea to save the backup codes provided by PayPal in a safe place. In case you lose access to your Authenticator app, by following these steps, you can add an extra layer of security to your PayPal account and protect yourself from unauthorized access.